we are doing a get ready with me and also a makeup haul. Now, some of the items that I'll be using in the video are by BH Cosmetics. I do have some other items that I'm going to be incorporating in this video as well. And as we go along, I will also be sharing the names of those items with you guys. Let me give you a disclaimer, and I say this every time I do a get ready with me. I'm not a makeup artist, you guys. I do the best that I can. I've already put my eyelashes on, but this is the brand of eyelashes that I'm using, you guys. I absolutely love these lashes. I've got these lashes on Amazon, and you actually get about 50 lashes, and this is what comes in the box. And they give you different styles, and as you can see, I've already like used one of them at the bottom, but you guys look at this. Look at this. And I want to say that these lashes this box may cost $20. I'm not really sure, but look at all the lashes that you get, you guys. Look at this. It comes with the eyelash tweezer that you can put on your eyes. See if I get out of the packet. And it's really nice. Look at that. The first thing I like to do when I get ready with me, of course, you guys, just apply a little baby oil on my face. I've already curled my hair. I haven't really just combed it out, so I'm going to clip it back a little bit. So, of course, it won't be in my face. But you guys notice I cut my hair. Yeah, you guys, I said it was time to cut my hair. I was ready for a new style, a new look, and you know, I was like, you know what? And then, you know, my hair, it was like semi-damaged sort of way. I could notice that it was thinning in certain areas, so I just got tired of it. I just was like, you know, I want a new look, and so I did it. And I actually cut my hair, I think I did it the week of my birthday, which was like the later part of March. So I've only had this hairstyle for probably a month, and now it's time for me to get it cut again. But you guys, I absolutely love the short hair. I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, the thing that I'm battling with you guys is actually figuring out what color I'm going to dye my hair, because I am going to dye the color, and I don't know what color I want it to be. But yeah, I cut my hair for a lot of reasons, and I don't trade it for nothing in the world. I absolutely love it. So now that I've applied my baby oil, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my actual eyeshadow and eyelids. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of the NYX eyeshadow base. Second, guys, I got to get me a brush. Now, there's one thing I want to share with you guys with these brushes. I'm telling you guys, first of all of their brushes from BH Cosmetics, you guys, it comes in the cutest little bag. Look at this bag. This bag it's so cute. It's cute, and it's of high quality. I like where it has like a slight fluorescent type of, you know, color to it, but I love it. Metallic kind of look. I love it. It's a very cute bag, and it's very durable. So I know it is of quality, but you get all of these brushes in here. Yeah, I can't even pull them out, okay? I cannot tell you how much this cost because this bag was actually gifted to me, so I don't know how much it costs. But you guys, look at all the brushes. Look at all these brushes. I'm like, what? I am in heaven, okay? I am in total heaven right now. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and do, I'm gonna add the, what is this, the eyeshadow base to my eyes, just so my eyeshadow can last a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and get updated. Okay, so this year 2019 has really been good thus far. I can say I did have a down, sort of like a kind of like sadness in the month of March, because you guys, I don't know what was going on, but it just seemed like so many people were passing. They were just, I mean, you guys, it was just really, really sad. Like some of the people that at my employer, at my job, they were passing, and I was just like, God, what is going on? And it was just like, it was so many epic events happening back to back. So March was kind of one of those months for me, even though it was my birthday month. But you guys, I really was, let me get a little bit closer so y'all can see what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do, y'all. I'm trying. But it was really like one of those months where I was like, Jesus, Lord, help me. God bless us all. But yeah, so it was a little trying time, but you know, I got through it. And you know, you can never say, you never know. All I can say is, you guys, don't take life for granted and do whatever you can to try and take care of yourself. Now, what I have right here, you guys, I absolutely love. When I say love, I actually love this palette. It is the 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. You guys, let me show it to you. Let me wipe down the mirror a little bit. Y'all, it's so pretty. We finna have some fun because I don't know what I'm about to do. But you guys, look at the colors in this palette. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And let me show you what the top part looks like. You guys, we're gonna have some fun. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna start off with like a really like nude tone. And so before I use that particular palette, I'm gonna use their foundation and concealer palette by BH Cosmetics. It actually has 10 color palettes in here. These are the 10 colors on this palette. It's the foundation and concealer 2 by BH Cosmetics. And I'll let you see what it looks like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with that. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about myself, what's been going on, what to expect now moving forward in my videos, and my progress so far. So the good thing is that now that I'm noticing that I am doing more of the content videos that my audience want to see, my channel is growing, you guys. And I am so grateful that it is growing because I can really see the engagement. I can see the views on my videos are really coming up. Some of the things, if you haven't noticed in my video, is that now I've added more music to my videos. I've also incorporated a intro in my videos, and also my description has become a whole lot better. Like I've learned anything, if I've learned anything else more about YouTube, your description and the title of your videos is everything. And speaking of titles, I know you guys have noticed that my thumbnails are pretty much getting a little bit better. I'm trying to be consistent with my color because right now, the things that I've been bringing out mostly is, if you notice, if you see the yellow border on my thumbnails, those are mostly like organizing videos, cleaning videos, or haul videos. And so if there's another color that I have, and it's like a peach pink type of color, and that color is for my finance videos. So I'm trying to keep the association so when people click on my videos or when they see that border, they'll pretty much know what the video is probably incorporating, what it's about. So that's some of the things that I've changed, and I can say I'm very happy about it. The flip side is that, you guys, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work to produce those content videos. And so with that being said, I have to put in more time. So the next thing I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I already applied the concealer. Now we're gonna play with this color palette, and I don't know what I wanna do. I wanna do something a little different. So I think I'm gonna do like a aqua color. I think I'm gonna work with the aqua. I don't know how it's gonna look, y'all, but we're gonna play with this. I think I'm gonna go for like an aqua color look. So let's see how this gonna go. But now, you guys, I want to ask y'all a question. What does keeping my life in order mean to you? When I think of my channel, keeping my life in order, I think of me just trying to do whatever it takes to cover all the aspects of my life, whether it's my health, my finances, my spiritual growth, my relationships. What can I do to make sure that I'm trying my best to sustain and have a positive outlook and perspective on life? How can I live this life or try my best to make this life better for myself? Now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I did use this color right here to kind of like tone it down a little bit. I'm gonna use this color right here to tone it down a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take this same brush and I'm just gonna blend it all together to tone it down just a little bit. So when I think of it, like I said, I think of, me keeping my life in order. Means to me, it's just like maintaining myself, trying to keep myself afloat, trying to cover all areas of my life and maintaining things. But I just want you guys to tell me exactly, what does it mean to you? What does keeping my life in order means to you? Okay, you guys, this is all okay. This is okay. This is really pretty. I really like this color. Okay, now I want to just probably brighten it up just a tad. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna, this area up here, right here, I'm going to make it a little light kind of look so it can pop just a little bit. So I'm gonna apply this color right here. I'm gonna apply this color right here. So what are some of the things you guys can expect to see more in the future? More things you're gonna see, guys, is you're gonna see more of this. You're gonna see me doing more videos in my actual name, KMLEO, which stands for Keeping My Life in Order. I'm going to be branding more of my name and stuff on my videos, like in my cleaning videos, my haul videos. I'm gonna start wearing more apparel. So please be on the lookout for that. You guys will be seeing more of that, because that is where, that is one part of my business that I'm targeting for, is wearing the apparel. I'm just applying some eyeliner on my eyes, guys. That's all. I'm applying some mascara onto my eyelashes. Okay, guys, so now I just got through applying this brown eyeliner to my waterline just a little bit. Now I'm gonna put a little mascara on up under that. Other videos that you guys can look forward to seeing is more like to do with weight loss. Now for my face, you guys, I'm gonna apply the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is what I'm gonna apply to my face, okay? So just a little dollop here and there. I want to share with you guys my actual 5-minute workout that I came up with. And with the 5-minute workout, it's really, really easy. I want to be consistent with it before I share it with you guys. Make sure I have another results. So look forward to those videos. That's the next thing that's going to come up. You guys, now I'm going to apply the Loreal Infallible Pro Mac 111. And this is a foundation, you guys. This is a drugstore brand, but again, I heard it's a really, really good brand, so I'm gonna try it. It says it gives you 24-hour foundation coverage, so we'll see what happens. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this. But yeah, I'm not gonna put the workout videos on there. You know, I'm not gonna put my workout videos on there until I've actually seen the results that I'm looking for. I'm gonna be recording as I'm going along with my journey, but it may not be to the point where you guys are seeing a video every week or every 2 weeks or something like that. I haven't really decided how I'm gonna do it, but when I do it, you guys will definitely know. I'm gonna do a little fill-in on my eyebrows. I don't do a whole lot on my eyebrows because I'm not an expert, but I just like to take the pencil and just, you know, color it in a little bit. But yeah, so that's pretty much like those are, and then, you know, the third thing, the first thing was, again, I said you guys will be seeing more branding, and now you'll be guys to start seeing more of the actual, my weight loss journey and stuff like that, and my workout routine, and I'm gonna share a workout video with you guys. And the last and final thing, you guys, I am taking my business so much more serious now. Like, I'm really, really starting to see that, you know, it's time for me to make a change within my own personal life. Professional life, everything's great. Great. Absolutely great. But as far as my personal life and my business life, I'm going to take stuff a little bit, I'm going to take it more serious and, you know, make those sacrifices that I am saving for. But some of those things I know without a shadow of doubt, some of those things I can accomplish, because a part of those saving videos, you guys, and what I'm doing is I'm looking forward to putting more into my business, putting more into my brand, putting more into my, I'm just feeling this in a little bit more, you guys, putting a little bit more into my business, to my brand, and trying to build my empire. And everybody know, you know, it takes money to make money, and that's the truth. So now I'm always apply, before I put on any kind of lip gloss, my base is either the Burst Beeswax or this Carmax, and this Carmax is in the strawberry scented, so I'm gonna be using this just to put on my lips first. Hard to do anything. Oh, it feels so good on my lips. Jelly lip gloss, and it is the Teddy Bear Nuage color. This is what I'm about to put on. Set my makeup, and I'll be using the makeup setting spray by BH Cosmetics. It's the Studio Pro. I'm gonna set my makeup. Whew, for the makeup set. Comb my hair a little bit. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I think I did pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed the conversation and some of the topics that we discussed. I will definitely link the products down below that I use in this video. If you want to check some of these products out, please do so. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.